Welcome to Luca and Miguel. Enjoy the video.
Start now. With the iPhone nearby and your Apple ID ready, go straight to Settings and sign out of iCloud so Android won't inherit Apple services. Once done, disable iMessage and FaceTime inside their settings so your number stops routing through Apple. Make sure the phone has a cellular connection while you do this. It ensures deregistration messages are processed. If you can, remove the SIM and note the IMEI. These small steps prevent messaging and device links from persisting after you switch to Android. Once you've signed out locally, open Appleid. Apple. Calm and sign in to manage devices. Remove the iPhone entry to break the tie between hardware and account. Next, revoke any app-specific passwords and third-party app access to stop background syncs. If you can't access the phone, use the Find My section to remove the device remotely. Make sure to clear Safari autofill and saved Wi-Fi if you shared networks. These steps close account links, so your Android won't receive Apple notifications or sync iCloud data. Finish by factory resetting the iPhone if you're selling or giving it away. This removes residual settings and personal data. On Android, check accounts and settings and remove any Apple or iCloud entries so no leftover sync remains. Once you've switched, test calls and SMS. If iMessage still intercepts texts, deregister your phone number using Apple's deregistration tool or call Apple support for manual removal. If needed, your carrier can reassign message routing. Use that as a final troubleshooting step.
Thanks for watching and please subscribe. It's the best investment you'll ever make.